This course is designed for product managers, designers, and programmers. We start looking at the prototyping process, then dive into techniques and strategies for you and your team to make prototyping with an Arduino an integral part of a nimble design process. While the beginning of the course is general and requires no specific background, the technical parts of this course related to building a prototype assume that you've had some exposure to Arduino. We'll start from the beginning and talk about prototyping step by step, but it will be easier for you to follow if you've had some experience programming. The Learning Arduino Foundations LinkedIn Learning course is a good place to start if you're new to the Arduino. The prototype itself is built with some common electronics and other parts. They include an Arduino Uno, a 16x2 LCD display, a simple button like a tact switch, a 10K or 10,000 ohm potentiometer, a 220 ohm resistor, a full-size breadboard, and an assortment of jumper wires to connect everything together. If you have an interest in discovering the joy of designing products and exploring and developing prototypes, then this course is for you. In addition to videos, hands-on experience is fun, and it helps you develop a deeper understanding of course material. This course update adds several hands-on challenges for you to work on. They help you practice what you're learning and encourage you to look beyond just what's presented. The final challenge combines everything you've learned along with one new idea for a more complete prototype. And each challenge is followed by a video showing you the solution I came up with. So as you go through the course, take some time to work through the challenges. They're good practice and demonstrate techniques not covered in the main videos. And they can be a fun way to explore and further develop your Arduino prototyping skills.